you're struggling with stubborn belly fat that builds up around your organs, you might not realize that certain foods could be the cause. Visceral fat, unlike subcutaneous fat, accumulates inside the abdominal cavity and wraps around vital organs like the liver, pancreas, and intestines. This type of fat is linked to serious health issues like diabetes, heart disease, and even strokes, so it's crucial to eliminate foods that contribute to its buildup. Here are 6 foods that could be making your belly fat worse. Fructose. Found in many processed products, including soda and sugary snacks, fructose is broken down in the liver and can cause fat buildup, leading to liver damage and increased visceral fat. Switch to natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit instead. Soda drinks. Both regular and diet sodas are packed with sugar or artificial sweeteners, which contribute to fat storage around your belly. Opt for sparkling water with fresh fruit or natural sweeteners to stay hydrated without the added sugar or chemicals. Grains and flour. Foods like white bread, pasta, and pastries are rich in refined carbs that cause blood sugar spikes, leading to fat storage. Choose fruits or whole grains instead, which have less impact on blood sugar levels. Trans fats. Artificial trans fats found in processed foods and fried items raise bad cholesterol, increase inflammation, and cause fat to accumulate around your organs. Replace these with healthier fats from olive oil, avocado, or nuts. Alcohol. While a drink here and there may not be a problem, regular alcohol consumption strains the liver and interferes with fat metabolism, leading to increased belly fat. Limit alcohol intake for better health. Soy protein. Soy protein isolates, commonly used in protein bars and meat substitutes, can disrupt hormones and cause liver inflammation, contributing to abdominal fat. Choose natural protein sources like lean meats, eggs, and legumes instead. Taking care of your diet and managing stress are essential steps toward a healthier you. Start cutting out these problematic foods today and see positive changes soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to share which food you'll eliminate from your diet first. We're here to support your health journey. Thanks for watching.